So far I've had this one little change of the story we wanted to put in, and we thought it'd be great to have a pillow fight, and we think we probably need 1,200 people for the pillow fight. So we're looking for 1,200 people. It's not a huge job. There'll be one opportunity to come for rehearsal. You can go online and learn how to the choreography, which is highly choreographed pillow fight, online. And it's for a family, so we need adults and kids, or adults can do it, but not unaccompanied kids. And we're often thinking this might work well for families. And it's to be performed on the 18th, so you need to be free on Sunday of the 18th. Have a little time to practice and watch the video at the very least. And we're looking for 1,200 people involved in that, and you'll get instructions, about where you fit into the story of the day and everything happening. So they're the pillow fighters. We're also looking, rather importantly, for 15 adventurous, energetic seniors. You need to own and drive a mobility scooter. Yeah, so that is, and you will be performing as part of the story, you'll be involved in the story, and you need to have your own mobility scooter to be part of this story. And I think everyone who know Darl can know how often the true heroes of the events are seniors and grandmas and grandpas, and this is observing that. And I think there's 2 more spaces for any parents who've got a child that they're keen to have turned into a mouse.